Okay, so we're on week 2 and we're starting to incorporate some of the brighter shades in, and we're going to do some overlay of crochet on top of this mesh grid. So you're going to lay your finished piece of scarf down, and we're going to work across the scarf. So you need to attach it to one end, so you're just going to attach it in here. And then you're going to work 2 chain, and then a slip stitch over this stitch here. This is 2 chain from your mesh grid. 2 chain again, and then slip stitch around here. 2 chain. So when you're doing your slip stitch, you're going underneath, taking your yarn and bringing it through, and then through the stitch on your hook.